Durango Casino and Resort Construction Update. Construction at Durango Casino Resort is well underway. The steel structure is now taking shape, and the building is starting to resemble its final form to be ready late 2023. The building's exterior is taking shape, with panels now nearly complete. And inside work of the facility shows construction crews continuing to make progress. Take a look the work of mechanical, electrical, plumbing installations. The progress of Facade or panel outer of Durango Casino and Resort is almost completed. It will feature 15 floors with over 200 hotel rooms, convention, and meeting spaces, a resort pool with cabanas, outdoor social areas, and free parking. View from top of Durango Casino and Resort. The 83,000 square feet of casino space will offer guests the latest gaming options and a hotel tower with over 200 guest rooms and suites. The property is located near the 215 Beltway at Durango Drive and is set to open later this year. Check out these incredibly renderings of the Eat Your Heart Out food hall that's set to open in late 2023 at Durango Casino and Resort. The Las Vegas food court era featuring reheated pizza and soggy sandwiches is far behind us. The new Durango Casino and Resort will have a 25,000 square foot, elevated food hall, featuring Shang Artisan Noodle, Vesta Coffee, Nielsen's Frozen Custard, Hawaiian Street Food, and Oyster Bar.